How to add address and location info to Facebook page. First, open up your Facebook page. As you can see, this is the new Facebook page experience. So in here, you want to click on Edit Details. Now over here, if you scroll down, you're going to find Add Your Address. So click on that and it's going to take you to this page. Now over here, you want to click on Add Your Address. Once you click on it, you have to fill up all of these info. So here you can enter your address. After you have entered your address, you can choose your city or town. So here, if you click on it, you can choose the suggestions. After this, you can add your zip code. You can also add your neighborhood, but these options are optional. After that, you can also choose to add the location from your maps. So here you can click and drag to choose your location. So in this way, you can add the map location as well. Now, one more thing that is recommended for your page is to add service location. So if you use service area, then it's better to add the service area to provide better information to your potential customers. So as you can see here, if you travel to provide goods or services to your customers, you can select up to 10 neighborhood cities or regions to define your service area. So from here you can add. And once you have done that, you can save. And then up here as well, if you are done with adding your location, you can click on the save button. And in this way, you need to add your location. So now if you head back, this is how your address and location is going to look like. So from here, your customers will be able to find out your location. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.